Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's time for Macy's Beauty Box for March. Yes, remember last month we got the cute little heart-shaped hair clips and all that other good stuff. Here is March. I've already started the opening process because this box I have found it can be very difficult for me to open without breaking my nails. So got her open. That's what it looks like. Let's pull everything out and see what we get. Okay, so you always get a coupon. It's usually to use certain time periods. Usually it's $5 off beauty purchases online or in the store. Sometimes it's 10. We got $5 off your next $20 or more beauty purchase from March 26th through May 26th. So that's nice. You get 2 months. There's a QR code to learn about the goodies in here, and then there's the code. I'm not going to use the code, so whomever uses it first, here's a $5 off coupon code. Screenshot that. Sorry, my hands are shaking. Okay, let's get into it. We've got this, and then we've got an item here. So let's get into this one first. This is First Aid Beauty Fab, and this is a Pure Skin Face Cleanser for sensitive skin. 28.3 grams or 1 ounce. Okay. First Aid Beauty, I really like that brand. Good brand. I think most people do. Been very nice. Anything on the back? Directions: you dampen the face, dispense a small amount, cleanse, blah, blah, blah. Don't get it in your eyes, all that good stuff. I'm curious if there is a safety seal. I think there is. Oh, there is not. That's kind of surprising. So it's a facial cleanser. That's very nice. It's a good company. Let's see what's in this little pink Tootsie Roll. So this box is like 15 bucks a month. I will put the link down below. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not good. So it's supposed to be beauty products. Sometimes you get a little bit of makeup. A lot of times it's skincare, hair care, fragrance. I don't mind the fragrance samples. That's always nice. It's almost always sample size stuff. Speaking of that, here we go. Perricone MD's Firming and Brightening Eye Cream. 5 milliliters or 0.17 fluid ounces. That's an itty bitty. This does remind me of the Ipsy Beauty bag because of all the little samples. Also reminds me of like Allure. See if this one has. This one's got a safety seal, if you guys can see that. So that's nice. So it is a firming and brightening eye cream. Got some more little sample sizes. This is Origins Checks and Balances. Oh, this is hard to read. It's, what is this? I need like a milky oil cleanser and makeup melter. Sorry guys, it's kind of crappy text, and it's, it's a translucent bottle. It's really hard to read. But that's nice. So it's a makeup melter and a cleanser. Yeah, I get probably 5, 6 something uses out of that. You guys can see, ooh, kind of looks like it's got a little oil base to it. It's, you shake it up and it gets a little funny looking. So that's why it's called a milky. So definitely shake before use kind of thing. It gets real kind of yellowy looking. I've never tried this. I don't know if I've ever used anything from Origin, so that's interesting. I do see a brand that I really like. That's coming up. Oh, I've heard of this one too. Caudalie Paris Vino Perfect. This is a radiant serum complexion correcting. 10 milliliters or 0.3 ounces. It's got a little squeezy, so it must come in a dropper. It feels like it's a glass bottle, so that's kind of nice for something so small. Definitely a glass, some sort of glass bottle. So that's very nice. Caudalie Paris. Just has ingredients on here. Manufactured Caudalie, USA, New York, New York. Okay. Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. Okay. More skincare. Then this is what I was talking about. This is Sunday Riley, and this is the B3 Nice 10% niacinamide serum. That's awesome. A water-based 10% niacinamide serum, supercharged with trans resveratrol, reduces the look of pore size, resurfaces redness and blotchy tone for a balanced Cleaner looking radiance. This is, it's very shiny, 0.17 ounces or 5 milliliters. You know, 1 to 2 uses out of that, and that'll be done. But that's nice. I do like Sunday Riley a lot. It's been a very good brand. So that was what was rolled up in here. Yeah, that's it. And then we have something that's in a container of some sort. Some sort of, I don't know what this is. We're going to find out. It's like a pocket. You know, honestly, it feels like something, like a little thing you'd put in your purse with like a maxi pad in it or something. I'm not really sure what's going on. I don't know what this is. I don't know how to get it out. Okay. What is this? We're going to find out if I can figure out the puzzle. Pulling it out. It's something. Oh. It's like, it's a bag. It's like a bag that you fold into a bag. So, shopping bag, beach bag, some kind of like on-the-go little bag. It's cute. Pretty colors. Yeah, you know, I'd almost call this like a shopping bag, which is cool. You know, it definitely folds upon itself really easily. Very easy to keep in your purse. I mean, you saw how small that was. Weird to get into in the Macy's beauty box. Very weird. But, you know, okay. I'm just trying to figure the origami out of how you fold this up without, maybe like that, and then maybe like that, and then the whole thing, yep, the whole thing folds back upon itself and gets stuffed in here. And yeah, so you've got a very easy, like, in case you need one emergency bag for shopping or something, and it's that size. Okay, you know, like I said, weird to get in a Macy's beauty box, but not a bad idea. You know, take it with you. Maybe you're going into Macy's for some makeup and you could put all your purchases in here. I mean, that's easy, right? That's super easy to have in your purse. So, very cool. So, we got that. We did get the Sunday Riley B3 Nice 10% niacinamide serum. I will use that. This Caudalie Radiant Serum Complex Correcting. It's in a dropper and glass bottle. This is something I've never heard of, this Origins. It's got some oil to it. Definitely shake it up. It's a cleanser and makeup melter. Probably get 2 or 3, 4 uses out of that. The Perricone MD, it's a nice brand. I like them. This is a firming and brightening eye cream. Eye creams last a long time because, you know, if you're just putting them around the eyes, that'll last a while. And then the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. This is something I think that you would find in Ipsy's shop. You know, you go and you do your picks, and then it takes you to the shops where you can get free add-ons to add into your glam bag. I bet you I think this is something that Ipsy would charge you like $4 for. So, again, it's 1 ounce. Didn't have a safety seal, but that's it. That's my bag or my box from Macy's for March. Let me know what you thought, guys. Like I said, sometimes this box is great. Sometimes it's really not great. And a lot of times it's okay. 15 bucks. I don't know. Take it or leave it. There's nothing in here really excited me. So let me know your thoughts down below, you guys. Are you getting Macy's? Have you gotten it? Do you want to get it? Are you like, glad I don't have it? I'm on the fence about this one. It hasn't offended me. There's been some months where I'm like, what a waste. This one, I'm not really saying it's a waste, but I wasn't excited about really anything in here. So I appreciate your time. Hope you're having a good week. I have my laser here. I have been lasering, guys. I hope you got a chance to watch that video. And let me know your thoughts on it. Appreciate it. I really appreciated getting that to try. So far, I'm loving it. So we'll let you know after like 4 weeks what I think of it and how it's worked on the hairs that I'm trying to get rid of. So have a good one, guys. I will see y'all on my next video. Bye, everybody.